This one we have the use of Bayes' theorem. We could use that. Notice with Bayes' theorem, we can always also use a tree diagram. So let's see how we go. We've got students living in dormitories at a university. Of them, 58% of those live in West Hall, and the rest, so the other 100, up to 100, live in the South Tower. So we've got a South Tower folks and we got the West Hall folks. A sandwich shop randomly mails a coupon for free sandwich to 26% of those in the West Hall and 19% of those living at the South Tower. So we've got these percentages. So these are, that. A student living in a dormitory is randomly chosen. Find the probability that this student does not receive a coupon. Does not receive a coupon. So what we're given is the place that they live. They either live in West Hall or they don't live in West Hall. That's unconditional. The sandwich shop, these are conditional probabilities. Those in West Hall, 26% are going to receive. And from those in South Tower, 19%. So this is a conditional type probability. So we can use a tree diagram as suggested. Could have used the probability formula as well. But what we'll do is we'll go with this first string here and this string here. We'll say West Hall, and let's just go not West Hall. We could put South Tower, but West Hall, we know there's 58%, 58, which means there's 0.42 down here that don't live at West Hall, 60. Okay. Now we're told, secondly, who's going to get a coupon for free sandwich? Well, those in West Hall, conditioned on being at West Hall, the coupon is going to go to 26% of them, 0.26. And so we could say those that don't receive a coupon will be, what's that, 74? We may not need that, but we'll do that. And then this tree diagram, what we get as we multiply along this path is we will get the probability of W intersects C. So let's go ahead and do that. 0.26 times 0.58. 0.26 times 0.58. So multiplication principle, 0.151 if we want to round that. 4 decimal places, so let's go ahead and use 4 decimal places. 0.1508. And then the next one, since what we want, oh, actually, that's not what we want. We want they do not. Okay, so I carefully read these questions, does not. So actually, after doing that, that's great, but what I really want is that the ones that didn't get a coupon, so this is the one I want, 0.58 times 0.74. So 0.4292. And then the same thing, those not living at West Hall, but at South Tower, their chance of getting a coupon was only 19%. So their probability of not getting a coupon would be 81%. And again, what we want to see is the probability that they do not receive a coupon. So we go along this path. That's going to give us 0.42. 81. times 0.81, 3402. And these are the two ways to not get a coupon. So find the probability that this student does not receive a coupon, regardless of which hall they live in, is what it's asking. So we can add these two together. 4, 9, 6, 7. 6794 would be the probability of not getting a coupon, not conditioned upon where they live or anything else. 7694, we got it right to 4 decimal places. Excellent.